The crazy lady that freezes all of her food is back, this time to show you how to make pie crust and turn them into Pop-Tarts. In either a food processor or blender, add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon of salt. Pulse that together a few times and then add 20 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Pulse a few more times until it becomes sort of crumbly. Now add 6 to 8 tablespoons of ice cold water, making sure to not add too much water. Pulse until the dough comes together. Once your dough has come together, remove and divide into two. Form your dough into a ball, flatten it into a disc, and wrap in saran wrap. Now stick your dough in the fridge for at least 1 hour, or in my case, the freezer. Each disc is big enough for a 9-inch pie. Now what do you say we turn those pie crust into Pop-Tarts? Roll your dough until it's a 1/4 inch thick and somewhat of a rectangle. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can always trim it. Remember, you can make your Pop-Tarts as big or as little as you'd like. I did roughly 3 inches by 5 inches. Now go find some jam or jelly and add it to the center of your Pop-Tart. Use roughly a spoonful or so. On the edge of your Pop-Tarts, add a little bit of water and then fold. Carefully place your Pop-Tarts on a baking sheet and crimp the edges. Poke a few holes on top, add a little bit of melted butter on top, and then bake at 375 for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden. While the Pop-Tarts cool, make the frosting. In a small bowl, add roughly half a cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk, and a splash of vanilla extract. Mix the frosting all together and then spread on the top of your Pop-Tarts. If you have kids, this next step is not optional, so go add some sprinkles and enjoy.